Welcome to Quick Hub. In this video, we'll show you how to create a broadcast campaign using your tagged contacts in Quick Hub CRM. Start by opening Quick Hub and heading to the dashboard page. From there, click on Quick CRM. Next, go to the Quick CRM dashboard to access all your CRM tools and settings. Click on Tags in the CRM menu, then select the tag you want to use for your broadcast. Once your tag is selected, click Create Broadcast to get started. Enter your campaign name, something that helps you easily identify the purpose of this broadcast. Click Choose Template and select one of the available templates that fits your campaign. Once selected, click Next to continue. You'll move through a few setup screens. Just click Next on each step. When you reach the Tags section, confirm your selected tags and click Next again. You can skip the test campaign setup by clicking Skip. Now, click on Schedule to set your broadcast timing. Select the date and time you want the campaign to go out. Then click Schedule to confirm. Once scheduled, click back to Home to return to your dashboard. Then, click the eye icon under Scheduled Broadcasts to view the details. Here, you can review the scheduled contacts and make sure your broadcast is ready to go live. And that's it. You've successfully created and scheduled a broadcast campaign using your tagged contacts in Quick Hub. Stay tuned for more Quick Hub tutorials to help you automate, organize, and grow your business.